In this video, I'm going to show you how to import the Google Contacts to iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your settings, then scroll all the way down until you find Contacts. Here tap on accounts and there you are able to add your Gmail account. Right here I got one, but I'll show you how you can add your account. So hit add account, then select Google and then hit continue. There you need to select one of your Google account. I got two there, you maybe got just one. Maybe you will be able to enter your login and password from your Google account, and after that your Gmail account will be added right there. So after that you can go into that account. As you see, that's my Gmail account, and here make sure that contacts switcher is turned on. So now contacts are synced with that device and that Gmail account. That's how it works, guys. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.